Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can order layers in LightBurn. Now it's going to be extremely simple. Basically before we do that, I'm just going to make a few adjustments just to show you how valuable ordering your layer are. So the first thing that I want to do is to simply fill my text right here. Now just to show you, I'm going to enable the field rendering. And then I'm going to change this into something like the fill option. So with that, if we click on the preview option, basically from here, it will actually start with the outer line first, because that is the progress according to our order or to our layers. Now, if you want to modify this, and basically I want my laser to start on the middle one, which is going to be our text, we can just select on the layer that we want to adjust up and down. And basically from here, you want to press on these arrows. Basically with this one, it will actually move this specific layer up. And now if you click on the preview option, it will now start with the text right here. And so if you want to make it even a lot faster, I'm going to change this into offset fill. And then basically from there, you are good to go. Once again, just press the B button, or I mean the up and down button, and that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.